Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 10th class English. Now we are going to see about a story that I will do it. We already learned about the author, that is Sudha Murthy. Now we are going to see a story about a person. What I will do it, who will do it, we are going to learn now. He is a person. We are now seeing about a person. Who is he? At the end of the story we come to know. Now I am saying about a man, about a person, how he live his life, how he survive in his life, and who is that person we are going to see. He is a boy with short height and a sharp mind. He is one of the brightest boy in his class, and he can easily solve difficulties in science. If anyone asks any problems or any difficulties, within a second he can solve that. He has that much of ability. He grasps theories of science faster than the speed of light. It means that he is aware of all the theories of science subject. And up to now we come to know about how is he, how the person is. Now we are seeing about the family background, how his family is. His family is poor but educated family. His father is a high school teacher. Here the boy wanted to study IIT. What he wanted to study? He wanted to study IIT. For that purpose he studied a lot, and with his aspirants, with his friends, he sat on a one mandap that is near the Mysore hills. They all are sit at that place, and they are going to study about the IIT. If anyone has any problem, they will come and ask to him, and he is able to give all the answers, and he feel very happy and always keep smiley face. And after their preparation, they appear for entrance test. While preparing for the entrance test, they have no special books and no coaching classes. They do their self preparations, and he became the guide for others also, and he prepared himself. This is happened in when he was 16 years old. At the age of 16 years, he wanted to study IIT, and he appeared for entrance at the age of 16 years. To write the entrance test, he went to Bangalore. There he returned a entrance test. After some days, the result of entrance test has come. In this he passed with a high rank, with a good rank. He passed the entrance test. With this good news, he went to his father. His father is reading the newspaper. At that time, he said that he passed with a high rank in the entrance test of IIT. His father was so happy, but he said that he cannot afford expenses of IIT because he has 5 daughters and 3 sons. They have to do the marriage of these 5 daughters, and they have to see the educations of these 3 sons. So he cannot afford the expenses of IIT. By listening this, his son becomes disappointment that even though he has knowledge, even though he has a brightest student, but because of his status, he cannot afford to study IIT. Still, he doesn't stop here also. He move on. What he did, see here, after the results was declared, his classmates were doing IIT. To complete the IIT, they are leaving for Madras through a train, and he also went to leave his friends at the station, and after that he started doing lot of hard work. He worked very hard in 1962 in Mysore city. In June 1962, he worked very hard in Mysore city, shared his wealth with others, built a team of people who were equally good. Now after doing this type of hard work, shared his wealth with others and built a team of people who are actually good, became pioneer of Indian software industry and started the information technology wave. Pioneer is nothing but develop an area of human knowledge, because he built a team of people. By the team of people he developed an area of human knowledge. With this he became the pioneer of India's software industry and started the information technology way. Even though he has a poor background, with the wealth, with the knowledge, with the hard work, he became the pioneer of India's software industry. That person, he is none other than Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy. His name is Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy, the founder of Infosys. Infosys means information system, a leading IT company in the world. He became the founder of Infosys. It is not a small company, it is the IT company in the world. So see here how he became the founder of IT company, with the wealth, with the hard work, with the knowledge, okay, with the grip in science, with the wealth, with the good qualities, he became the founder of Infosys, leading IT company in the world. Even though our background is poor, our background is poor, from poor family also, if we do hard work with good qualities, with good knowledge, and with supporting, with helping with others, we can become a successful. By seeing the story of the Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy, we can develop our personality. Okay, this is the so the story lesson name is I will do it. Anyone can do it. Okay, if they want, if anyone can want, they will do it compulsory if they do hard work in their life. Okay, now I am giving you assignment that describes Murthy's character and qualities. What are the qualities Murthy had and how is his character? Write in your own words. Now the personality development 1 unit is completed. In this 1 unit 3 lessons are there. We go through the 3 lessons. Read twice, thrice at home. See these classes. Do revision. Then you will compulsory understand. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubts, again comment us. Thank you.